Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode Week I just woke up. This is Leetcode Biweekly Contest 141. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's contest, these problems, everything in between. Let me know how you did. Let me know how you think I did and all these things. Yeah. What is it? 35 seconds to go. Let me refresh, make sure the timer is up to date. I don't know how that stuff works. Yeah, 30 seconds to go. Remember, this video is just a live recording of my attempts. If you want the explanation, there'll be each farm will have his own video. They'll be in the description. All these things, all the good things. Yeah, 10 seconds to go. My goal is just to kind of, I don't know, finish the thing and go back to bed. Just one of those days. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, Larry. Alright, register this time. Alright, double problem. They seem to be, Q1 and Q2 seems to be double, except for the range goes from 1,000 to 100 to 10 to the 9. Okay, let's actually read the problem. Okay. And prime numbers. The bitwise or is equal to num sub I. Okay. Alright, so it goes up to 1,000. So we do something like is it the smallest? Oh, okay. I'm not awake yet. Yeah, that's right. Nope. Not awake yet. Double negative. This is kind of bad code. Okay, and now Q2 is the same except it's 10 to the 9, so I can't do it that way, right? Well, let's keep it open so I could run this code on it. Let's see. There's only 100 numbers. That's... Oh, and num sub I is prime. I actually didn't even take advantage of that. They claim it's a 5-pointer. It's a prime. What does it mean that it is a prime number? Three is 1, 5 is 4, 7 is 3. Why is 7 3? What is the binary numbers? No one's counted yet, supposedly. Only 100 numbers though. prime. What does prime mean? Actually, I guess we could use this to kind of look it up. This may be not too much, but we'll see. One, actually, I forgot that. Well, one isn't prime, so it's fine. Wait, is that? Yeah. Okay, so not all these numbers are prime. What happened to they are prime? Don't even know how to write a CIF. Look up a piece of I. Nope. What are you doing? Technically this bit. Oh. Oh, 2 is just -1. I guess that's why. If I is not in. I stopped writing it this way. It's kind of weird. So only -1 is 2, right? It seems like it, because everything else. Okay, so okay, yeah, and it's either no. It's like per bit almost. 63 times 64. That's it's powers of 2 minus 1 is this one. These ones, so 8. But this is also weird. Did people get this one yet? Well, a lot of people got it already, so I'm just doing it. Maybe I'm doing it funkily. Oh, I see. The answers are always powers of 2 difference, right? That is a funky thing. I don't know how to prove it, but okay, fine. Otherwise, then we just check x. So, okay, so for right, so then now if x minus I plus X1. X. Press 0. I know I could write this loop in a better way, but I'm just too lazy to think about it, and there are not that many numbers. Okay, let's submit this to Q1. Okay. Okay. Oh, how many people have gotten it? 142. Maybe there's a dumber way. Or maybe people just did the math and I did it the dumb way. Okay, 5 people got this. How many? 14 people got Q4, so we have some time. We're a little bit slow today, but that's fine. Okay, read the problem. A pattern that's a subsequence of sorts and is sorted contains distinct numbers. Removing a character targeting. Okay, so we why can't we remove? Oh, because I this is probably just DP. I don't like that they weigh 3,000 like this though, but is it DP that? 18 people, 13 people. That's kind of weird. Target in it's okay. AB. How am I thinking about this? ABA. Can I do this one? Let's see. Yeah, more people got it. I haven't even read the problem yet, but I want to focus. Focus. How do I even think about this? Target indexes matter, maybe. So that's N. Excuse me. And we say, can we remove this? Do we always want to remove in order? So target indexes and source, right? That's n square. We remove the thing, and then we that's n cubed if you do it sloppily. I got it, but I think it's n squared, but I don't know if I could write the bottoms up quickly though. So and tops down may be too slow. We'll see. 0. Also 0, I suppose. And then, okay, so then it's take, no take, right? So what am I doing? It's okay, so if the invariant is that we're here because we can't do the rest of the pattern. Oh no, is this even right? Because we have to, no, we have to keep track of the pattern index. Maybe. At least the way that I'm thinking about it. You can't just, and it is 3000. Alright, let me skip ahead. I don't know. Actually, more people's gotten Q3 now. I still haven't read it yet. Okay, so this isn't right. Because we have to keep track of pattern to test. Do we though? No, I don't think so, Larry. You're wrong. I think we need. Also, this is like terrible naming. No, you don't need to do it this way. You know, this is deterministic, right? So you only need. Return, then we're good. So return 0. No, we want to, yeah. Otherwise, return negative infinity. Yeah, 9 is fine. We return negative infinity because it's just not possible. Right when we get the max. Okay. And then now, yeah, okay, I see. This is actually not that bad, I just get confused. Okay, then now for, no, I don't even need to do it this way. This isn't T, this is just, right. Okay, you got this, I think. Okay, so if S index is in F, then, if this is not in F, then we can just return go, S index plus 1, P index, maybe? Well, you have to decide if you want to match it with the pattern, so that's the thing, right? Okay, fine. Okay, so then now think about the cases. I'm thinking it way slowly. I should do this faster, honestly. Okay, because you got this now, Larry. Okay, so then now if source of S index is equal to pattern of P index, then we're good at matching at 1. So let's match this one. Yep. What are you doing, Larry? Why are you struggling so much in this split? Okay, so then now we also want to just go in general, go S index plus 1, P index, we don't care, we don't match. And then now there's a forbidden thing, which is that if we can't do it, then if S index is in F, then now we can say, okay, we remove this and we get a score of 1, I don't know why I struggle with this one, but yeah. Whether this is fast enough is hard to tell, but pattern p index. Oh, I thought I had it. P index is equal to p. Then we can also return 0. Well, no, it's not. Because it could go to. We actually want to return go s index plus 1 p index. And then this will always be p, but if s index is in f, then we return go s index plus 1 p index plus 1. I think this is a little bit better. A little bit better, not good enough apparently. Oh, I just have like a weird thing. Did I tap my max? 1 2 0 2. Okay. Alright, that's fine. So then now sources. Is that too slow? It feels slow. And we only have end memory limited exceeded, which is not great. Okay, fine. But now this is straightforward. How many people got it? 80 people got it. I'm not surprised. So I have to rewrite this. Let me open a new window just in case I lose it. Okay. So then, okay, fine. DP S index is always dependent on P index. Okay. Alright, so which one do we have first? Right, P index, S index depend on the previous. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we have to fill out the thing first. If S index is then P is equal to, okay, fine. I can't believe I have to write this twice because Leetcode refused to like time sign stuff, but okay, fine. Times P plus 1. No, S. For HS there's P. Okay, I think this is right, but it's really awkward looking. Okay, so dp of P is equal to 0, and then now this is going to be P minus 1. dp of P index is you go to negative infinity. I guess that's what this means. Okay, fine. And then now yeah, okay. Am I prematurely optimizing? Probably. I guess this part is pretty straightforward, actually. Okay, so then now P, actually dp of P is equal to PDP of P, maybe, if S index is an F, then dp of p plus 1, right? And then now you have this thing. You have dp of p index is equal to pdp of p index, okay? If whatever, nested it. P is greater than dpp index. Okay, and then now one last more. If S index is an F, we probably could remove this loop for whatever, but whatever. If and then S and this should be, well, how did I have it? S index is equal to S. This is when it's equal to S, right? So yeah, that's really it. Okay, so that looks good. Again, let's try the 3000. Is this fast enough? Alright, I mean it's faster and it doesn't run out of memory, which is good. Alright, that's YOLO. Hopefully not too okay. A little bit slow, but we got there. Alright, Q4. Whew. Alright. You're given 3 integers and x and y. X stages. Some stages. 1 to y. Return it. What? Alright, mod. I don't know what's going on. Okay. I think my eyes are not sensitive enough. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 means that. What does that mean? The score. Any band is what it is. 2 ways to assign a stage to the performer. Oh, the event can take place, so each person can. I would have think a lot of the small people would have gotten it, but okay. So the score part means each number of groups times y, so that's fine. N is only equal to 1000, so it's probably dp. Right. So basically we are at okay, so how many people are left and how many stages are left, right? Is that good enough? Yeah, it should be okay. Maybe. Yeah, okay. So then now stage. Okay, so the number of people on this stage can be 0. That's the thing, I suppose. So if... So tick, no tick. Okay. So tick is going to be... So this stage takes a person. So it's going to be n-1, s-1. Times y, because we took a person, but we have to add a boolean thing of just used. If not used, then we can do this. If it is used, then we just maybe take one, and then we also maybe don't take one. Oh no, no, if it's not used, then we take one, but it's this. For the number of combinations, yep, okay, so, and then now this is used, right? Otherwise, we're done, or, well, we could also still also be done. So this, you have this thing, anyway, oh, no, you just skip the thing. Oh, I guess I had it here. I don't, okay, so this is skip. This is, so okay, so we've already used them, we just go n-1 s, else, if it's already used, then we just keep used, otherwise this is also true, right? But when we skip, then we go back to false, true, right? And I think that's really it. Okay, so if n is equal to 0, then we just return 1 because we can't grade the rest of it. If s is equal to 0, do we all have to be assigned? Okay, so every person has to be assigned. So if n is, well, it's not 0, so then that means that we just return 0 because we have people left over. Yeah, I think this is right. I know I'm not doing mod yet. Actually, I should do mod already. X. What is Y? Y is 1000. We could mod it. Something like this. Takes 3 position. Did I mess up one of them? Oh. Silly. 6, 6. Oh, this is way wrong, but that's fine. Okay, did I make this? Okay, 32 makes sense. So why do I have 6? So I have 5. 5 persons, so 5. Was it? I think it's 32 because it's 2 to the 32, but how do I even that? Alright, so maybe I'm really wrong. Basically, you define five. Oh, it's each distinct. Okay, I have to do the math a little bit differently, maybe. I was doing it in the front. Okay, okay, let me rethink this. Whew. All right, well, that's not right. Or it's right for a different problem, but not this one. Okay, so each. Then. So each person can be in one of the stages, but then we have to count the number of groups. So that's the problem, right? So 3 to the 3, what's 3 to the 3? 27 times 4. Really? Why is it 687? Oh, 684, I can't even say it. 1. Is it just not 3 to the 3? Oh, so it's no, that's just wrong. Okay, well, back to this drawing board. Okay, okay, so then it's 4 to the number of bands. So because it's 27, alright, let's calculate it. 3 to the 3 is 27, and then technically it's 4 to the 27, but it's not because, well, it's just not right. No, it's the summation. It's not 4 to the 27. It's 4 to the summation of the groups, which is sometimes 4 to the third and sometimes 4 to the second and sometimes 4. So then it just count the number of ways one group can be formed and the summation of that. Okay. And they're distinct. Alright, so then for each person, and my math is really bad today. How am I doing anyway? Wow, people are well, okay, I forgot about ChatGPT. But 187, wow, people are very fast. Oh, it's very ChatGPT-able. Okay, so so it has to be at least 27, but then the y is the hard part. How many of those 3 to the 27 has there's only one with one group, and then how many of the 27 has 2 groups? And how many has all 3? Well, all 3, there's only 3 ways. Right. So then it's 24. So then that is double checking the math. Four to the 2, 16. Times 24. No, the 3 is this. No, that's wrong. So you have one way of all. No, it's not one way because it's unique. So it's actually 6 ways of having one groups because they're distinct. My math is bad. All 3 in one group is 3, so that's 9. 9, 27 is 18. So then now 4 to the second, 4 to the third. So I guess that's how you do it. This is how you do it. 384. $288. I think the annoying thing about this problem is that it's so hard to check for cheating. But okay, that matches up what I expect. But okay. So one way or another. And it matters which stage you're in, though that doesn't matter. Well, because it is just the number of groups factorial. So 2 factorial arms. What does that look like with that math? Number of groups factorial. Yeah, okay. Because 3 groups. And then just, well, does that help at all? And then 2 groups. Just 9. Then 1 group. Well, it's not factorial. It's okay. So it's not 3 choose 2. It's 3. It's number of permutations, right? So then it is going to be well, it's just one. If it's just 1 group, then it is 3. If it is 3 groups, number of ways to be in 2 groups, but it's distinct, right? So can I calculate that easier? Number of ways to be in 1. This is also a special case. How many ways are there to be in 1 group? Well, 1 group is always just going to be and ways 2 groups. Two groups is tricky. Oh, 2 groups is it just 2 groups is x choose 2 and then 2 to the n. Is that right? And then 3 groups is we choose, well, it's 2 to the n. Yeah, and then 3 groups is x choose 3, and then is it 2 to the n? And then 3 to the n. Is that right? We want to apply it to what we just did. Okay, so 3 choose 3 is 1, and 3 to the 1 group is 3. 3 choose 2 is 3 choose 2 is, what is 3 choose 2? I'm confusing myself. I know it's, okay, it's 3, and then out of those 2 groups we have 2 to the 3 to the n. Yeah. Wait, what is n again? N is, no, that's it. Doesn't. Okay, so you choose 3 stages, and then each of the person. So 3 to the, that doesn't make sense though, then, right? Oh no, there's 3 stages, so there's 1. Alright, slow down, Larry. You don't need to rush this. You still have 45 minutes. Okay, so you have 1 stage. No, you choose 3 stages, okay. And then, oh, but it's not 3 to the n because every person has, or each stage has to be in one of them. You pick 3 of these people to put it into there. So then it's 3n minus 3 times n choose 3 because you select 3 people to select. Does that overcount? I think that overcounts, like. Yeah, that double counts. Yeah, that cannot be. Okay, so you choose 3 stages, that's fine. And then, yeah, I think that part is fine, but then how do you enforce that they're all 0? How many of the 3 to the n's have at least 1, right? Get this thing. How do we ensure each stage has 1 person that have? Oh, it's 3. That's the thing, is that actually it's 3 factorial, right? But then how do we make it count such that it is at least 1 person? Oh, so it's not 2 to the n. Can I do a math thing? Or like an actual programming thing? 3 to the minus. So, okay, let's say we have 3 to the n, right? Which is wrong, but then we subtract it from the number of ways. Do we subtract it from the number of ways that how many ways are there that the 2 groups will fit? Okay, so we have 3 to the n. But then now I'm okay, the stage part fine, but now we're saying okay. Okay. We have 3 people. Okay, so we have to extrude 3 the stages, but then now I think this is, I remember this now. It is maybe. Yeah, a lot of people got it. Okay. So then now we want to say okay, fine. N people, X groups, X stages. So then now we have for I in range of X. Let's just write out what I can and then we'll figure it out. Right, and then now it is X choose I for the number of stages. Permutation. Yeah. X choose I. How do I do it? Is it X? Is it comp? Let me just say X choose I, number of groups, right? And I don't remember how to, okay, fine. Yeah. And then it's just if I see what it is. I should have code for this actually, but and then it is just X times so it is X minus 1. I think there's a Pascal triangle thing, right? I don't know. What am I doing? Wait, is it this? I'm just... I am just being really bad right now. Alright, let's just figure out how to choose this. Oh yeah, this is binomial, right? What are you doing, Larry? This is binomial. Right, alright. Did I multiply? I did multiply. I'm trying to find my old code, honestly. Oh no, okay. Two choose one is two, two choose two is... Okay, that's also... I don't know, 5 choose 2. This 5 choose 2 anyway. 10? I guess that's right. I'm so not confident in myself today. Yeah, okay, fine. This looks okay. We have to mod it. Okay, yeah. Okay, so then now, so that is the number of groups, and then now we have to figure out how many distinct ways. Is it just it? And then this is just y to the power of groups, right? So this is the scoring difference, and then now the groups is no, it's 4 to the I for the number of groups, for number of distinct groups, and not this is confusing, but yeah, okay, fine, whatever, this is fine. And then the thing is that then now it is number of way to do this, right? So then the number of non-empty sets. So then now it is, we have n people into I groups. Right, and then the other number should be I don't know why I use a small n, but it is how I'm doing it this time. One, then if n, and then return goal of n. So then now this person can start a new group, maybe. Oops, this isn't right. Something like this? Nope. 6 is right. Which is a start. Okay, so for the 2 cases, should be actually pretty straightforward. I'm putting too much stuff. Only half an hour left. Okay, so for 2 people, you have 1. Why do I have 2? If X is already 15. Oh, because groups is 0? Why the group 0? What am I choosing? X. We want. What is X? X is 2. 2 choose 2. Did I do this wrong? 2 choose 2 should be 1, right? Am I really that bad at the binomial? What are the base cases? I'm just like being bad. 2 choose 2, right? What am I doing here? Groups. I, X. Huh? Am I just being dumb? I mean, the answer is yes, don't answer that, but... Why is this group 0? Huh? What? What? Am I printing the right thing? Am I reusing I somewhere? X is 15. Oh, because I'm using X here. So I'm... What? Oh, because I am dumb, I'm dumb. Okay, I mean, it's still wrong, but at least it's wrong in a way that it's not unpredictable. I am just so bad at this. Okay. Okay. So, let's see. Right. So, you have 1 group. 1 scoring. No, groups is 2 choose 2. Okay. Did I miss a step? I did miss a step. Two choose. It's not two choose. Is it two choose two? Here's the number of ways to have one groups, but then you times it by 2 factorial or something. I feel like that's... Alright, let's just do I feel like that's another formula, but I'm just being bad at it. So it's not choice, it's permutation. And I'm times it back in, but I'll have to rewrite this, but okay. So now this is right. But and I'm just gonna YOLO submit actually. After doing it 1,000. Oh, and 1,000. Okay, it seems fast enough. YOLO. If it times out, there's a lot of easy optimizations, but come on, Leetcode. I mean, this is I'm just a little bit lazy. It's an easy fix, but that's actually kind of crappy. I mean, it's fine, I guess. No, it's not. This is crappy. I don't think I do that much crazy stuff, but I guess we don't clear things. And all these are actually... Yeah, actually, can I just take it outside? Yeah, because mine is the same, right? So and then that, okay, so that takes whatever. But if I have 2 of these, that still takes whatever. So okay, fine. Yeah. And let's optimize this a little bit. This is just, I mean, yeah. So this is actually not a choice, it's a permutation. So then now it is x factorial minus I factorial. Can I fix that? I mean, this is actually a pretty good way of writing it. Yeah, I'm really bad at math today. I'm not surprised that like in the beginning I was surprised that people didn't finish it faster, honestly. Number of groups, and then the stirring numbers of non-empty sets. That took me a while to get. Actually, it used to be one of my favorite sequences. It comes up a lot in, or used to be anyway. Comes up a lot in competitive programming, but yeah. But yeah, still failed due to Leetcode's whatever thing, as it happens. Can I write this in a better way? No, I mean the better way to write this is by using like inverse mod stuff, or modular inverse stuff, which is not great. I mean, if this is fast enough, it's fine. I don't know. I'm just too tired right now. Yeah. Wah, 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 wah. But this isn't even a second in Python, so I'm fine. But still. Yeah, I mean, I'm not surprised people got this. Ooh, 500 though, wow. That is actually a lot of people. Oh well. Wait. Yeah, I mean, I should have gotten this quicker. I misunderstood the problem early on. This part, I guess I got. This part was the hardest part, but not really. I just kind of forgot how to go about it. Why is this necessary? I was just kind of slapping it on, but I feel like there should be only one way to do it anyway, right? Like, why is this not... Like, why is this necessary? No, I guess it's not. It's just that I had the random other issue. That's why I was like so confused about it. Because I was updating X by accident. Because I use X for everything and they use X as the parameter, which confuses me, apparently. And then in Q3 I had to I had to rewrite, so yeah, it is what it is. I do wonder if oh, I guess I don't have that thing back up. Can I? I have too many random things. I'm wondering if there's like, it loads up a version where, okay. I'm curious whether like top down works, but unlikely. I think it would just run out of memory. Actually, in fact, like that's what happened, right? Like we tested it for n cube and sorry, 3000 squared and ran out of memory. I was going to try to see some if it works, but it's not even worth it at this point. I was too slow on this one too, though. But I had to convert it and be a little bit tighter. Yeah. I don't know. Not a good contest for me, I think. Ultimately, I mean, I did okay. These math contests are pretty tough in the morning when I'm not awake yet. Like programming I can do, but work out details on these things, maybe I need to be a little bit, my brain needs to warm up. Q3 I probably could have been, should have been faster. 17 minutes is a little bit slow, even if you factor in that like 5 minutes I have to do to convert it to the bottoms up. I think I just misread this one a little bit. I have to watch the video that you watched to see where I'm spending the time, because I think I got so confused about target index for a while, but once I realized that that is actually like a easy lookup, then I don't know, it was fine. It's just that I was doing it very slowly. Yeah, that's all I have for today. I mean, I don't know, just a sloppy day, and a lot of people is getting Q4. I'm surprised not more, to be honest. Just because of ChatGPT, and this problem I feel like it's so easy to ChatGPT. That I'm surprised that. I'm curious. Oh, I didn't submit. Yeah, I'm just curious whether ChatGPT could get it before I go. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, there probably is a way to do it. There's probably a way to do it. I don't know if this is the right way because it looks odd, and it even has that like fake variable that Leetcode puts in and hoping that you don't catch. But I am curious. Actually, is it right? I don't know. It doesn't look right. I feel like it's missing something, but maybe I don't know. Maybe I am the one who's wrong. Let's take a look. Huh. I'm curious whether it even has this brand. What does this do? This doesn't even do anything. Why is it here? Alright, well. No, so yeah, it didn't look right for me because otherwise I feel like I would have gotten this very quickly. I mean, you probably can iterate on it. I don't know. I was just curious. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. A little bit slow today. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I will see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.